Hospitals and other healthcare environments have health and safety requirements above and beyond everyday performance. The Zebra DS82 series for healthcare delivers comfortable, versatile, reliable operation ideal for clinical settings. The disinfectant-safe plastics and smooth, crevice-free surfaces withstand aggressive cleaning. The advanced optical system reads barcodes and labels the first time, every time, even on curved surfaces like wristbands and vials. And the programmable multifunction button can be customized for multiple workflows in one scanner, such as electronic health records and phlebotomy applications. When every scan matters, trust the DS82-HC series for efficient, effective healthcare applications. Only from Zebra.